If you like trekking and history, and you are looking for a quick getaway from Mangalore, Gadaikallu in Belthangady is a great choice. This is one of the most favored trekking destinations in South Karnataka. It's a long trek uphill, but it's a one-of-its-kind experience that opens your eyes to boundless natural beauty and little-known historical trivia. Welcome to another travel video. Today, we're heading to Gadaikallu, just 8 km away from Belthangady. You can drive from Mangalore to Belthangady, which is about 65 km, or take public transport. From Belthangady, there are regular buses to Melodic, the starting point of the trek. If you're coming by train, the nearest railway station is in Mangalore. From there, you can take a bus or hire a cab to reach Gadaikallu. The closest airport is also in Mangalore. We begin our journey from Mangalore early in the morning. The early morning welcomed us with a refreshing coolness, complemented by a gentle blanket of fog. This added a mystical aura to our journey, enhancing the beauty of our surroundings. Before we got to the starting point, we spotted an old gate and thought it would be a good idea to take some photos there. The gate usually opens at 9 in the morning, but on this day, it opened at 9:30. Before starting the trek, you need to register on the government website. The officials will help you with this. What sets this trek apart from others is the climb. Rather than walk over twisted paths, the path here is made up of stone steps. A total of 1,876 steps take trekkers from the base to the summit. These steps are cut out of the granite hill. At the top stands the remains of the Jamala Bed fort, and a breathtaking view of the Kudramukh range. It's categorized as a medium-level trek. It can be quite a long trek to make sure you carry plenty of water and snacks with you. The Jamala Bed fort was built by Tipu Sultan in 1794. It was named after his mother, Jamalabad. It was once also known as Narasimha Gudde. According to local legends, it was built as a watchtower. Tipu Sultan was impressed by the head of this massive granite rock and felt it would give his sentries an early warning of any attackers. During the Fourth Mysore War in 1799, the fort was captured by the British Army. Today, not much is visible of the fort's main structure. There are a few broken walls and parapets to tell the story of the fort. A tank and mandir stand inside where a daily aarti is still conducted in remembrance of Tipu Sultan. The tank stores rainwater. Visitors can also see the remains of a single cannon at the top of the hill. Before you start the trek, make sure to read the instructions carefully. After 4 p.m., no one is allowed to enter, and entry without permission is prohibited. Camping and staying overnight are not allowed. The entry fee is 25 rupees for school children and 50 rupees for adults. Permits are valid for only 1 day. It can be quite challenging on these steps, especially when water is flowing downwards. The rocks can get slippery, making it difficult to find a good grip. You have to be very careful while climbing up and coming back down. Nonetheless, the beautiful view and the cool, calm wind make you forget all your difficulties. We drank and refilled our bottles with the flowing water because all the bottles we carried had emptied. After 2 hours of strenuous climbing, we finally reached the top of the hill. We were relieved and felt that the climb was definitely worth it. The view was breathtaking, with lush greenery all around and a gentle, calming wind. It was an incredibly peaceful place, offering a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. We could even see the peak of Kudramukh from here. We hope you enjoyed this journey. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos featuring new destinations. Subscribe for more content, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated.